Nah, yeah. Which kind thing be this one? Yeah? Why person go lock this gate, man? What is even wrong with this guy? Oh, why go accommodate person for this house? The person go just they give me headache. Which kind thing be this one? Huh? See as I dey rush now, they don't they call me. Where this guy self here? Guy. Nah, yeah. Which kind thing be this one, man? Which kind thing be this one, Oga? Why you can't lock gate, man?
Oh, this girl, man. So you chat me for WhatsApp.
Oga, now you are the talk to. Why you can't lock this gate?
Guy.
Why you can't lock this? Wetin be this one, man?
Why they disturb me?
Me I dey disturb you.
Who they disturb me?
Oga, I carry God make you. Yeah? I get one business what I want to do now. I beg. Guy, unlock this gate, make I come on.
Guy, I don't feel wrong.
Which one be say no fit do am? But for my own house.
You get mine collect my papers. You don't forget.
When I dey see am o. Guy, Oga, open this gate.
I don't feel wrong.
Guy, Oga, open this gate.
So this gate, so you don't feel coming.
Oga, they talk to you. Open this gate.
Guy, I don't push you. I will beat you for here. You don't know?
For my own house.
I will tell you.
Guys, now they see am now. You see, I won't make everything just there for record. Make una be my witness. That person go come lock me for my own house, man. Oga, open this gate. Oga, come back here. Oga, open this gate. No, if I talk to you, no, they waka. No, they come out here. Oga, open this gate.
I don't know what you do. Guy, they disturb me now. Make a sharp person. Only you better get one on chat. Guy, go sleep. Go.
Make I go sleep. Wait, una dey see am now. Una dey see wetin Alewa TV dey do. Una dey see wetin this guy dey do. Abeg, guy, open this gate make I comot here.
Baba see leave me.
Guy, open this gate. You wan make I jump first?
I jump first.
Una dey see am now o. Hey, this guy dey look for my trouble. Hey, Ogbeni.